Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome to Backspace. In this essential tutorial, we will learn how to hide comments in Microsoft Word before converting your document to PDF. This is very important for professional documents, reports, assignments, and clients files where you don't want review comments in text change to appear in the final version. Many users forget to remove comments, and when they export to PDF, all reviewers' notes become visible. In this video, we will learn clean and accurate methods to hide or remove comments while keeping your document formatting intact. So let's get started. We can see here some comments. Now I want to remove the all comments. When converting the document on PDF, go to the review menu and we can see here the delete option. Now I click the delete drop down menu, choose delete all comments in document. We can see here not available the comment. Then go to the file menu, click the save as option, choose browse, then select your file location, click that save as type drop down menu and choose PDF, then click save. Now you can open the file to any browser. Now I click this Microsoft Edge and click OK. Then we can see here the PDF, but here not available the comment. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.